Today we're reviewing one of Paw Patrol's cool vehicles. It has a scoop in the front to scoop away sand. And in the back, there's a crane to transport things. This means that it's a digger and a crane at the same time. Here on the back of the box are all of the features listed, and it also comes with a Rubble figure. Let's unbox everything first. Here's the Rubble figure that looks just like in the series, with its construction helmet, backpack, and tools. And here's the vehicle. Let's test it out first. Have fun! As you can see, the vehicle has lots of features. From above, you can seat Rubble inside the driver's cab, and then he can hit the road. In the front, you can see the scoop and the crane in the back. You can move both. You can lift and lower the scoop and move the scoop's front part, so you can move sand or dirt out of the way. And in the back, there's the crane. It has 3 parts that you can lift and lower, as well as extend and retract. And attached to the cord is the hook. You can lift and transport all kinds of things with it. And you can drive the vehicle back and forth on the floor or on a carpet, because besides the treads, the digger has wheels on the bottom. And that's my review of the Paw Patrol Digger. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like, you can watch some more right here. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to this channel.